Hi, this is KC from KC Boomer Tech, where we discuss everything tech related to boomers. Today I have a new video for you on how to connect your exterior device, such as a CD player, iPod, iPad, your walkman, to your new car, since they've taken out the aux port and the CD player. So stay tuned and we'll get into it. And welcome back. And as I said to you before, KC Boomer Tech is about helping boomers deal with new technology and some old. Because I will try to help you explain it to you, but I can't guarantee you're going to understand it. Now, like most people my age, we've been through a lot of different media types. We have been through 8-track cassette. We've been through cassettes. We've been through the latest, which is the CD players. But all in all, they're all wonderful media types. But as you can see, what have they done? They have taken out my CD player. Well, okay. That's no problem. But what was the one thing that we all had in every one of my cars that I had? They had an auxiliary socket. Some way of me connecting another type of media to my car. Well, guess what? For some reason, the new cars don't have a place to plug in my auxiliary input. What does that mean to you? As you probably know, you can't connect a CD player, a iPod, iPad, tablet, whatever for the sound through to your car unless you have a Bluetooth enabled device. Well, if you're a boomer like me, I have a lot of old technology and I want to be able to interface it with my car. Well, I said to them, hey, let me figure out a way. So what I found out, I found a device, and let me bring up on the screen here. It's called a trond. And what it is a Bluetooth transmitter receiver that allows you to connect your device to your car directly. Now, I have put excuse for the camera not being able to get focus, but basically it has two settings. One is transmits, one receive. You want to set it to transmit, and that's going to allow you to plug it to your device, whatever that is. You know, an iPod, a walkman, a tablet, whatever audio output device you're going to use, and it will work perfectly when it's transmitting. And what it does is simply this. It is a Bluetooth transmitter. Excuse me. One side plugs into your device, like I said, and the other side plugs into an available USB socket in your car. Now, in my case, I happen to have multiple devices that I run in my car. So, in this particular case, I plugged it into the 1.0 charging port. Once I did, I was able to turn on the Bluetooth device. It does have a battery in it and will charge up if it's not plugged in. The other thing you'll need to do is go to your car and making sure that it's a Bluetooth enabled device. It'll take you may take you a few seconds to figure out where, but as I did in here, I connected it to my car, found Bluetooth, found the settings. I paired it to my car. And what pairing means basically is that your device will come up in the car, you accept and pair it, and now you'll be able to play your CDs on your car. So it solves the solution. Now, the nice thing about the trond is that it is simple to use, it is small, and it is very inexpensive. It is only $25 on Amazon. That's what I found. It allows you to connect multiple devices in your car using the Bluetooth in your new car. So I hope that helped you finding a way to be able to connect those devices. Please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions on what other things you'd like me to show you, let me know. Have a great day.